This tutorial will walk you through copying your course for additional sections or the next term. You're going to follow your school's normal process to make a copy of your Blackboard course, including the Vantage links. Also, currently, course links can only be copied from the same instructor in Vantage. If multiple sections are being taught by different instructors, each instructor will need to create their own Vantage links. So to begin with, we are going to go click into the course that we want to copy from. And then we go to Packages and Utilities in the left navigation bar. And this, we are in the original view, and we know that by this black navigation bar to the left. So we're going to click on Packages and Utilities, and then we are going to click on Course Copy. And then we want to copy materials into an existing course because we have an empty shell. And then now I'm going to browse and look for my course. And I'm going to select the course that I want this copied into. And now I hit Submit. And now you also need to decide if you want to only copy over specific items, or if you're going to copy over everything, that you just select all and have everything copy over, which is test banks and all. I'm going to hit Submit because it says Success Course Copy Action queued. An email will be sent when the process is complete. You also want to make sure that you have copied, you've gone into your Vantage by going to vantage.sagepub.com and create a new course or copied another course. I always recommend going in and creating a new course so that you can just revisit all of the settings that you have in case you wanted to change your mind or do something a little bit different this semester. But we're going to go back into our Blackboard course. We're going to exit out of here and then go into the course that we're copying to. That one would be this one right here. And so now all our things that are copied are here. And then all our links are displayed. So here is a link here to Vantage. And then I also have other ones here in the student resources. If we went to chapter 1, there's several here. So it really doesn't matter which link that we link to, that we click on. But we're going to go and click on a Vantage link, which is this chapter 1 test. And now we have two options. We can create a new Vantage course to pair, and you can do that from here, or you can have gone already into Vantage at vantage.sagepub.com and created a course, which I've already done. So I'm going to click on Pair Your LMS Course to an Existing Vantage Course. I'm going to click here, and now I'm going to select my course that I want to use. And there we go. You'll see chapter 1. So we are all linked. So let's go back into our course. So we're going to go to the Northhouse course. And now if I click, we are in the new course that I just created. And also, you know that by, this is the course ID. And it's going to be in your URL as well. So it matches this course ID, just to let you know that. So again, now all of our links, there's a link here. I can go to student resource area. I have links in my chapter 1. And then if I go back until the student resources, I also have another folder with all the Vantage assignments. I can click on any of these assignment areas and it's going to take me straight to my textbook with that area that I have selected. And there's chapter 2. This concludes our video tutorial for course copy in Blackboard. Thank you so much and have a good day.